Hello and welcome to the Your Body, Your Consent how-to video guide. Your Body, Your Consent is something the college has been running for many years now, which is about engaging with sixth formers and getting them to consider some of the peripheral aspects of what happens with human tissue, issues relating to the consent, the use of the Human Tissue Act, organ donation, transplantation and so on. The idea is to get the students to talk themselves and explore their own kind of understanding of the ethics, and to introduce them to the idea that medicine is not just a science, it's all about ethics.
It was helpful for me in applying and stuff, to get a bit of insight into different parts of the NHS, or where medicine could go.
It's very rare you go into a conversation with someone and be like, when I die, can you do this? And it was certainly very nice to be able to talk about it in an environment that was open, and nobody really judged you. When I said I don't really care what happens, I won't notice. It was nice for people not to be like, oh, but how can you say that? It was nice to be like, well, that's good for this reason.
To most of them, it's a completely new concept. And I think for those who are considering medicine, it's a good introduction to something that isn't just biology. And for those who aren't considering medicine or biomedical sciences, it might just give them an idea of an area that they've never explored before.
And because it's worked so well, we thought it would be useful to put together a set of videos to provide a sort of step-by-step guide on how to run something like this for the college. This, as I say, this has been working for a number of years and has been very successful. You can use these videos alongside the printable, downloadable material that's available on the college website. Thank you for watching.